Hello, good morning students. In previous video, we have started lesson number 19 Constituents of Food. There you have studied about carbohydrates, fats and proteins. They are called as macronutrients. Today we are going to study about vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are called as micronutrients. Micro means small. So these vitamins and minerals are needed in small quantity, but they play an important role. Vitamins. The different vitamins are named using the letters of the alphabet. For example, vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K are the most important vitamins. Although we need vitamins in very small quantities, a lack or deficiency of any vitamin result in serious disorders. For example, a deficiency of vitamin A over a long period results in night blindness. In the disorder night blindness, a person cannot see during night. He is blind. A deficiency of vitamin D results in weak and brittle bones. Vitamins give us the ability to resist diseases. Minerals: iron, calcium, sodium, potassium are examples of minerals that are essential for the body. They are needed in very small quantities, but they have an important part to play in all the necessary functions of our body. For example, iron is necessary for carrying oxygen to different parts of the body. If there is a deficiency of iron in the blood, the body does not get enough supply of oxygen and one feels constantly weak and tired. This condition is called anemia. The mineral calcium makes our bones strong. All kinds of fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, sprouted pulses, their skins, and the bran of cereals and pulses are all sources of vitamins and minerals. That's why, as far as possible, we should eat fruits with their skins and we should not sift flour to throw away the bran. Can you tell what are the preparations that are served as midday meals in schools? Khichdi made from rice and dal. Also, chapati and vegetables are served as midday meals in schools. A balanced diet. What do we tell about ourselves when we say I am fit and fine? Being fit and fine means that we have enough strength and energy to study, play, and carry out all our tasks quite easily. Our body is growing well and we do not fall ill every now and then. We all wish to be in good health. For good health, our body should get all the different constituents of food, namely carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in the right quantities. A diet which provides all these constituents in the right quantities is called a balanced diet. Understood? A diet which provides all the constituents in the right quantities is called as balanced diet. Now we'll discuss use your brain power question. Which food constituents do we get from the ingredients used to make bhel? See, usually at home we are preparing bhel. So from this bhel, we'll get different constituents such as from kurmura, it is rich in carbohydrates. Grams and peanuts rich in proteins. Shave made from gram flour, it gives us proteins. And also chutney made from dates, it gives us sugar and minerals like iron. Pudina used in bhel is rich in vitamins, minerals, and lemon which is used that is rich in vitamin C. So in this way from bhel we get different constituents of food. So some of the examples of eatables we'll see. One eatable but gives many constituents. For example, chikki or gurdani. From the nuts, proteins, fats and carbohydrates. From the jaggery, sugar and iron. Banana, it is rich in sugar, some minerals and fiber. Boiled egg, it contains proteins, fats, some vitamins and minerals. We need variety in our diet to get all the types of food constituents. Nourishment and malnutrition. Malnutrition means lack of good food. For our body to be well nourished, we must get all the different food constituents in the right quantities. If a person's diet lacks some constituents for a long period of time, that person does not get proper nourishment. Malnutrition has serious consequences for the person's health. For example, if a person does not get enough carbohydrates and proteins, their growth is stunted, means growth will not take place properly. They feel constantly tired. They cannot cope with their studies or games or other tasks. Deficiencies of vitamins or minerals cause some specific disorders. There are some misconceptions. Misconception means wrong thinking about diet. If a child eats sweets, chocolates, cakes, fried stuff, etc., and grows fat, some people think that the child is healthy. But if you eat only one kind of food stuff, your body does not get all the necessary food constituents. Such a person would be malnourished. Therefore, to keep ourselves healthy, we should have balanced diet, means which contain all the constituents of food. Always remember, it is better to eat freshly prepared food items that will make for a balanced diet rather than snack on tempting ready-made foods you see in the market. What we have learned. The body gets energy from carbohydrates. Proteins are necessary for the growth of the body as well as for the repair of the wear and tear of the body. Our body gets energy from fats too. Although our body needs vitamins and minerals in small quantities, a deficiency of any of them can lead to a disease or disorder. Fruits, vegetables and their skins, cereals and pulses are all sources of fiber. From each of the food items that we eat, we get more than one food constituent. If the diet does not include all the food constituents in the right proportions, it leads to malnutrition. malnutrition has serious consequences for a person's health. I hope you understood the topic. So, for better understanding, read the topic once again